In this video, we'll explore the concept of SMART goals and how they can help you achieve your objectives. Welcome to our discussion on SMART goals, a powerful tool for setting and achieving meaningful objectives. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART goals are important because they provide a clear roadmap for success. They help you focus your efforts, stay motivated, and measure your progress. Let's break down the elements of a SMART goal. Specific means clearly defining what you want to achieve. Avoid vague or general statements. Measurable means being able to track your progress towards your goal. Use metrics and milestones to measure success. Achievable means setting a goal that is challenging but realistic. Consider your resources and abilities. Relevant means ensuring that your goal aligns with your overall objectives and values. Ask yourself why this goal is important to you. Time-bound means setting a deadline for your goal. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay on track. Let's look at some examples of SMART goals. Professional goal. Increase sales by 15% in the next quarter. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Personal goal. Run a 5K race in under 30 minutes. This goal is specific, measurable, achievable, and time-bound. Now, let's walk through the steps of creating SMART goals. Identify your objective. What do you want to achieve? Make it specific. Define your goal clearly and precisely. Define measurable criteria. How will you know when you've achieved your goal? Ensure achievability. Consider your resources, skills, and limitations. Set a goal that's challenging but realistic. Set a time frame. Establish a specific deadline for your goal. In conclusion, SMART goals are a powerful tool for setting and achieving your objectives. Remember, SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Start setting SMART goals today. Take control of your future and watch your dreams become a reality.